guys, today we look at the manuals and books of the Shelby GT350. So since we have the Mercedes and the Lincoln, we can compare them and see if they got nicer or not. And yeah, we'll go through them and you can let me know what you think. I think it's about the same. They are a little bit more colorful, but not necessarily nicer. So this is where the books come in. Looks like leather. They did a good job. It's fake though. It's not real leather. But they made an effort to make it look nice. So we got the owner's manual, which that's the first disappointment. It says Ford Mustang on it. It's the same one that you get with any Mustang. No special manual for the GT350, but we got this here, 2017 GT350 Mustang supplement, so that's good. I'll open that later and you can have a look at it. So it just explains the differences because it's a completely different vehicle, different engine, everything is different in this car. We got the quick reference guide, road assistance card, and a tire warranty guide on the Michelin tires. We got the Ford warranty guide for the whole vehicle, and then the alignment card. So if you go on the track, those are the recommendations for when you use your Shelby on the track. As mentioned before, a couple things are Shelby specific on this vehicle, so they mentioned that in the book as well. You get some information about your vehicle in here, which this one here is important in case your GT350 breaks down. It explains how to get it on a flatbed truck and how to transport it, how to tow it. So that's one thing to always remember. As well as a little bit of history here about the SVT, Team RS, or Ford Performance, which is pretty cool. They put that in the book.